to someone.
Okay.
Sheila.
Sheila.
Want me to meet Sheila?
Oh, nice! It looks so good. Oh shit! I love it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we're getting back to the build. We left off putting in these walls, and I gotta tell you, it's been a super interesting week of manifestation. The solar that I've acquired. So my housemates here, they bought a golf cart that came with these Renergy solar panels and all the control systems I need. I'm just gonna need to buy batteries, but essentially I'm getting this for almost nothing. Has the bracket for the van. How awesome is that to tackle my next project? I knew I needed some plywood, was gonna drive an hour to go grab it, and there was a bunch of free plywood right on the corner. So the world wants me to build this van, and we are going to build it. Okay, so we got our measurements. We're gonna start cutting our wood, and we are gonna be placing 2 of these pieces together to make this wall here. If you work for OSHA, I'm sorry, this video is gonna drive you fucking nuts. You see my cutting board is an ice chest and a little hamper. Safety first. Bam. And that will make it flush with the wall, and then we can start trimming out for the dresser. Oh yeah! That looks good. Size up a piece to fit that little spot. We're gonna paint the front white, but we are going to paint the back here to be the same as the walls, this amber brown. Okay, so we cut out what's gonna be the door. We're gonna dark stain this, but I wanna put a design like a palm tree or like live free or something really cool in that white accent on the door. Make it unique, make it home. And yeah, we're gonna do something creative instead of just painting. So. Woo! We got a palm tree. Okay, so we got our palm tree that we're gonna paint white. We got our door that we're gonna stain dark. It is almost sunset, so it's a great time to call it a night and tackle this tomorrow. We're gonna head down to the store, get some supplies, and enjoy the view along the way, my friends. God, Lahaina is such a beautiful town. If you've never been, I recommend you come sometime. Aunties at Ace are freaking adorable. I'm here almost every day, so we know each other pretty well. Woo! Back to the build. decided I'm actually gonna round out and sand these edges and re-stain the thing with another layer. So it'll be worth it in the end. Okay, so we're gonna glue this trim piece here on the door using this wood glue and throw that sucker on there to dry. I did some touch-ups to make it look nice, and we're gonna put the floor together. Is that my check?
Yes.
Oh, fuck yeah. Ah, no. No, it's just these screws are.
There's gotta be solutions. Got a little something you can put on there.
Alright. Trim. Back to Ace. Because the aunties are like, oh, you again.
I don't know.
Next, we're gonna put on the lock. Alright guys, we're all done with that project. I am so stoked. This looks so good. This is becoming a home. On the next episode, we're going to start tackling solar, everything to do with the roof. We're going to put in the air fan. We're going to get this van finished real quick. And thank you guys for hanging out. I'm loving every step of this. So please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next week, okay? Aloha. Bye.